How to add calendar to Notion Simple 2023. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be quickly walking you through on how you can add your calendar view to your Notion in 2023 in the simplest, most easiest way possible. So to enable yourself to do this, all you're going to need to do is you're going to come over to Notion. Okay, and once you're into Notion, obviously you're going to add a page for yourself if you want to. Then once you've added a page, from here on out, you're going to obviously go ahead and write something, okay? Once you've written that, here you're going to see a few things. So import templates, table, board, list, etc., etc. This is the one we're going to go with. It's called a calendar view. And once you click this, what it will do is it will automatically take you to a calendar view that you can obviously enable yourself to see in. So that is how you're going to add your calendar view. You can also find it from here using AI, but you don't really need that because as you can see, even if you were to write calendar over here, you can see you're going to get a calendar view. You're just going to click on it and it's going to open up the calendar view for you. Yeah, that's about it. That's how you're going to add calendar to Notion. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.